side.
Hey everyone, on display is my personal computer, which I am naming it Morpheus. It is a custom design which I built using the Thermaltake 290 frame. This structure weighs approximately 150 pounds, so I had to put a suspension structure to hold this behemoth. I've added two cooling systems to manage the RTX 3080 video card and the Ryzen 9 processor sitting on an Asus ROG Crosshair 7 motherboard. Permanent structure is only 10 terabytes with 64 gig of RAM, but in the near future I plan to increase the size of the solid state drive. The computer is designed with a voice activated module which is coded to turn the system on and off using the Arduino motherboard. The voice response application is pitched to sound like a Dalek for you fans of the Doctor Who series. I'm hoping to build other structures soon. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care.